Good morning, California. Kevin Oliver here, and today I'm talking to my home sellers. What exactly happens after your home goes under contract? Okay, great question. Once we open escrow, here's what you can expect. Number one, the buyer's deposit must be placed into escrow within 3 days. Number two, buyer's agent coordinates with me and the inspections are scheduled. Number three, the disclosures and reports are prepared, signed, and delivered within 7 days. Number four, inspections are to be completed by 17 days or sooner unless otherwise stated. And then 5, your title is reviewed. And then number 6, finally, we prepare for closing. As your broker, I manage that entire timeline, from handling repair negotiations to coordinating with the buyer's agent to keep the deal on track and protect your net proceeds. DM me seller, SELLER, and I'll send you my seller escrow checklist so you know exactly what to expect. And that's your seller insight from Good Morning California, because the real work starts after the sign goes up.